HPL is HPL Electric and Power Company is into switchgear basically. Our core has been switchgear from last more than 50 years plus. So we are into metering, we are into industrial switchgears, we are into domestic switchgears, we are into modular switches, we are into wires and cables, and we are into lighting. So there's a complete basket of product for electrical requirement for the end consumer, be it a domestic end consumer or a industry or a project kind of a end consumer. So yeah, Air Asia is considered to be one of the premium exhibition for electrical products as far as South is concerned. So our experience also has been good. So it's been the second day today, and the initial footfall yesterday was a little bit slow, but today we are expecting a good customer footfall, and it is going to improve in the second half of the day, followed by tomorrow. We are expecting a good footfall from customers because tomorrow being Sunday, so we expect that customers would be coming for the exhibition tomorrow. So as we are into switch gears, so we have displayed here meters, we have displayed here industrial switch gears, we have displayed domestic switch gears, we have displayed wires, we have displayed lighting, we have displayed modular switches, we have displayed fans. So fan is our latest entry into the consumer product basket as far as the product addition is concerned. So that's the latest product we have added in our kitting. So we displayed entire products which under the umbrella of HPL Group. So to talk about electrical, there's a lot of technological changes happening, year on year. So we are quite synced with all the technological changes which are happening in the electrical industry to keep ourselves updated and give the latest product to our end consumers, which are technologically far superior than the competition. So what we want is that we should give the best technology product to our end consumers, in the sense that he gets the complete basket of products for his domestic requirements and the industry and project requirements, and the real estate also. So we are focusing a lot on the real estate sector in this year, and we have gained a quite good response in the first quarter of this financial year, and the momentum is going to increase in the rest of the financial year. So we are expecting quite a good response from this sector also. And as far as the other meters and industrial switchgears are concerned, in meters we are going into all the utilities, of government utilities, and as far as wires is concerned, we are into all the 5G cables. So all the telecom companies which are there, we are providing the backup of wires and cables to all the technology. So that way we are technologically advanced and we are updated on the latest technology for all the electrical products in the industry. So as I said that we keep ourselves updated on the technology. So you will be seeing a lot of automation being happening in all our products. So latest state-of-the-art products would be coming from our latest facilities in the northern India. We are all our setup in north of India. So quite a lot of automation is going to come. We are already doing some of the automation, and we'll be aggressively doing automation in the times to come also.